how to delete photo from Facebook. Now let's say you have this post that has a photo in it and you want to delete that specific photo from Facebook. Now in order for you to do that, all you have to do is to tap on your profile icon right here and scroll down until you see this category section that says posts, photos, and videos. Now all you have to do in order for you to delete a photo from Facebook is to tap on photos right here, and you will be able to see every photo that you have on your Facebook account or Facebook profile. Now in order for you to delete that, all you have to do is to pick one photo or a photo that you have right now, let's say right here, and tap on these three dots right here on the upper part and click on delete photo right here. Confirm that you want to delete this specific photo right here. And now if you go back, you'll be able to see that that photo is no longer existing on your feed or on your profile info. So that's how to delete photo from Facebook. Hope we help.